Hi boys and girls, we're starting on page 242 in your math book today. And we're going to do problem number 1 together. It's about dividing things into equal groups. And number 1 says this: there are 2 rows of paintings on the wall, and that's why I made these lines. So imagine a wall with 2 rows of paintings. And then if you keep reading in number 1, it says each row has 3 paintings. So use some kind of manipulative. You could go back to your marshmallows if you still have them, or you can do a drawing on a scrap piece of paper. But don't do it just in your head. Use something so you can get a good mental image, because remember, making mental images helps you solve story problems. So we have 2 rows of paintings with 3 paintings in each row. Then the question from the story problem is, how many paintings are there in all? You can count them up and write it down. Then it asks for an addition number model. Addition. So how many in this row plus how many in this row equals how many altogether. Got it. Good job. Now, skip on to number 3 on page 242. And it says you have 4 flowers in all. So I'm going to get rid of these. I'm going to put these to the side. And then so here are my 4 flowers. I'm going to erase my lines because I don't need lines anymore. And it says you have 4 flowers in all and you have 2 vases. So I'm going to represent my vases like this. Circle for each one, okay? Then it says each vase should have the same number of flowers. How many flowers in each vase? And again, some of you are going to just know it in your head. But do me a favor, in case you're working with bigger numbers someday, use the manipulatives. We know we have 4 to start with. And so then what I want you to do is do it this way, like you're dealing cards. Put 1 in each vase, then put 2, the second one, in each vase. Deal them out. First one, they each get 1, then they each get the second one. How many flowers should you put in each vase? What's the answer? Here's 1 vase, and how many? The other vase has the same number. Right. And then it asks for another addition number model. So 2 flowers plus 2 flowers equal how many altogether? And so then just finish up that page. But use the manipulatives, and so it helps you with your mental image. Next, turn to page 246. It says multiples of 10, 5, and 2. And I'm going to move these out of the way and erase. And so then number 1 says this: how many is 3 5s? And it's written like this: 3, then with brackets around it like that, 5s. That looks very strange, doesn't it? How many is 3 5s? But all you need to think of is this. So if we have 3 5s, 5, 5, and 5. 5, 10, 15. 3 5s is 15, and you're going to write the number 15 right there on that line. Then it says, what is 3 times 5? If we put little pluses in between here, that's your addition number model. Your multiplication number model would be 5 times 3 equals 15. And you use the X for the times. And this is not 3 times 5, because do we have 3 5 times? No. We have the number 5 3 times. And let me see. So I don't think any of the rest of these are that tricky for you. I'm looking really quick. I guess go to number 4, and it says, how much money is 6 dimes? And again, you can probably figure it out in your head. But do me a favor. Dime, dime on a scrap piece of paper. Make 6 dimes. Again, you don't have to circle them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We know each dime is worth 10 cents. And so how much money is 6 dimes? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Write down the number 60 right there for 60 cents. And 6 times 10 equals 60 as well. This is kind of like your addition number model. This is your multiplication number model. And then you have 2 story problems at the bottom. And we are going to do let's do number 7 together. It says Joe puts pictures in a photo album. Okay? There are 3 rows of 2 pictures on each page. So we got a page like this, and we have 3 rows. 2, 3. Got it? And 3 rows of 2 pictures. That means we put 2 pictures in each row. And whoopsie. And now you can see how the manipulatives kind of help you in this. They help you get a good mental image of what's happening. Let's see if this one will stick now. Yes. Okay. 3 rows of 2 pictures on each page. And draw an array to show 1 page. So this is your array, isn't it? You could do circle, 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 circle. How many pictures are on the page? That's what it says. How many pictures are on the page? You can count it right up. 6. How many is 3 2s? 3 2s, 2, 4, 6. It's 6. And then write your number model. 3 times 2 equals 6. Not that hard today. All right, that's all you've got to do. Page 242 and 246, and I hope I helped you out so you weren't confused. Have a great day. Bye.